A new day begins. Dump truck carries a load of big rocks. Going over a bump, the rocks fall and break the road. Oh no!
Oh no! Ah!
Oh my god!
Dump truck calls the drilling machine for help.
Yes.
Drill truck.
Are you ready? Okay.
The drill goes fizz and breaks the big rocks into small pieces.
Good job. What's next?
Bulldozer.
Come here. Let's go.
Bulldozer helps push the small stones into dump truck.
Yeah. Are you ready? Okay.
Dump truck carries away all the stones.
Good job.
There's more work. Keep going. Now it's time to fix the road.
Come here.
The drill breaks old road.
Wow. Let's go.
Bulldozer pushes away pieces.
Okay. Yeah. Come here.
Mixer truck.
Mixer truck pours new concrete.
Very nice.
The road is smooth and beautiful again. Great job, everyone! Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.